Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Philips Fidelio headphones to your Windows PC. So all I have to do is just to click on this power button and hold it until the indicator located right here starts blinking. There we go, just like that. Right now we have to open the settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices, and you have to go to the add device just right here, select the Bluetooth device. Now just wait until your headphones appears on the list. Select your Philips Fidelio L3, and as you can see right now you are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.